Now we are going to do illustration number 13. So market again important for exam. From the following transactions, prepare 3-columnar cash book in the book of Sri Krunal for August 2015. So write the heading. Now 2015 opening cash balance and opening bank balance 6,000. So both will come on the receipt side because bank balance है, cash balance always receipt and bank balance है तो receipt, bank overdraft है तो payment. So 2015 August 1 balance bought forward, cash balance is 3,000, bank balance 6,000. Second, goods of 10,000 sold to Nilesh at 10% trade discount. Amount is received by check which is deposited in the bank. So receipt side trade discount is not to be recorded anywhere. So we sold goods to Nilesh, we received the full amount. So receipt side August 2nd, 2 sales. 9,000. Next. 7. Now check issued by Nilesh is dishonored. तो हमें जो चेक मिला जो हमने रिसीप्ट साइड रिकॉर्ड किया अब ये चेक हो गया डिसऑनर. सो पेमेंट साइड रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ेगा 2015 August 7th. By now we'll have to write the name because we have to take this money from Nilesh. So by Nilesh account in the bank column 9,000. This is for check dishonor. मिला तो रिसीप्ट साइड, डिसऑनर हुआ तो पेमेंट साइड. अगर हमने किसी को चेक दिया है तो पेमेंट साइड आएगा, फिर वो अगर डिसऑनर हुआ तो हम उसको रिसीप्ट साइड लिखेंगे. सो ऑलवेज रिवर्स, ओके, ऑफ व्हाट वी हैव डन अर्लियर. नाउ 9. अब देखो नीलेश का दिवाला निकल चुका है because the word receiver comes. So who is a receiver? Receiver is a person appointed by court who will sell the assets of the insolvent person and pay off the liabilities. Now receiver of Nilesh paid the dividend of 50 paisa against 1 rupee by check. Now it's generally, always by check, but here specifically also it is mentioned by check. So 50 paisa against 1 rupee. So we had to take 9,000. Uske samne now we will receive 4,500. So 9 receipt side to Nilesh account 4,500. Now what about the remaining 4,500? What will be that? Can anyone tell me? 4,500 मिल गया और बाकी 4,500 का क्या?
Bad debt.
That will be bad debts. Okay, that will be bad debts. So we will record that bad debt in journal proper. Got it? Now next. Goods of 6,000 sold to Bhikhu Bhai for cash at 10% cash discount. We are selling it at 10% cash discount. So receipt side 10 to sales account, 6,000, 10%, 600. We sold for cash, so 5,400 receipt side. Goods of 5,000 purchased from Chetna at 10% cash discount. Half of the amount is paid by check and remaining amount is paid in cash. So 5,000 पे 10% cash discount is 500. So 4,500 का half 2,250 by check, 2,250 by cash. So by purchases 13. 500 का discount, 2250 check cash and 2250 check. Now,
Sir, एक मिनट करम पाछे पहला पेमेंट साइड में.
okay, Manav. Should I proceed now, Manav?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, goods, sorry, we did goods of 5,000. Now 15. Bank has collected a dividend of 1,000 and credited in our account. So bank ने collect किया dividend. So receipt side 15 to dividend account. So to dividend account 1,000. Okay, so bank may balance has increased, so receipt side bank column. Bank has credited, collected, so our bank balance has increased. So in our books, bank on the receipt side, we will record this amount. Now, bank has credited 100 towards bank interest in our account. Again, bank has credited, it means our bank balance has increased. तो याद रखना वहां पे ब्रैकेट में लिख देना credited, bank has credited means bank has collected यानी bank balance has increased. बैंक ने credit किया तो हम debit side, receipt side record करेंगे because our bank balance has increased. So 17 to bank interest 100. Okay, now 24th. Advertisement expense of 3,000 paid by cash. So paid, so payment side 24 by advertisement expense account. Amount is 3,000 cash column. Thousand paid from business for Satyanarayan Katha at home. So underline at home. यानी घर पे कथा किया तो वो घर का खर्चा है. So it is for owner's personal use. So it will be drawing. 26. By drawings account. 1,000. furniture of 3,000 purchase for home, underline for home. The amount is paid by check. Again, furniture for home. So owner के लिए, so drawings 27. By drawings, furniture of 3,000. If you write by furniture, it is wrong. अगर फिर भी तुम्हारा कैश बैलेंस बैंक बैलेंस मैच हो जाएगा, but it is wrong. Okay, so be careful what you write over here. A check of 3,000 is issued to Girish in full settlement of account of 3090. Yani we are giving this check to Girish and we are receiving 90 rupees discount. So 29. By Girish account, ₹90 discount, 3,000 का check. Now similar sums of exercise I've solved in my recorded lectures, so you can watch them. Okay. Praveen has paid by check 2,500 in full settlement of 2,575. So Praveen has paid by check 2,500. So we have received in full settlement of 2,575. So we have given a discount. Girish was 28 and Praveen is 29. To Praveen account 75 ka discount and paid by check 2,500 bank column. Now 31st important, after keeping cash on hand rupees 500, remaining amount is deposited in the bank. Now let's do the total first. Debit total for cash column. Okay, before you do the total, you can even close the discount account because you know that the discount account need not be balanced. You just have to do the totals. So you can close discount account first by just doing the totals. So over here total is 675. And over here the total is 590. Now debit side total of cash column is 8,400. Credit side, let's do the total. It comes to 6,250. Right over here 6,250. Now difference is our cash balance, which is 2,150. Now cash on hand we want to keep rupees 500. So 500 cash on hand. So how much amount will deposit in the bank is 1,650. So we have to pass a contra entry, deposited in the bank. So bank balance increase. So receipt side bank column 1,650. 1,650. And payment side cash column 1,650. Now date is 31st. By bank account contra 1,650 31st and over here 31st to cash account contra. I'll highlight it. Now, let's do the balancing of cash first. Now, cash credit side total will become 7900, or we know now the cash on hand with us is only rupees 500. So directly we can do it. Debit side total 8400. Same we record on the credit side और उसके ऊपर हमारा balance 500. So 31st by balance carried forward. Now let's go to the bank and see which side is more. Okay, so bank debit side is 24750, credit side is 17250. Yes, debit side seems more, credit side is 17250. So difference comes to 7500. Because debit side is more, so first we do the debit total, then same we record on the credit side, and उसके ऊपर balance 7500. Is the sum over?
No.
No, we need to transfer it. So September 1 to balance bought forward 500 and 7500.